I like to dive in. Forget the beach. I love the lake. I like them golden brown. I don't mind. I'm a mom now, so I get the burnt one. But if I have my choice and the kids are distracted and I get to roast my own marshmallow, no interruptions, it's a roasted golden marshmallow. Ooh, baby, that's a tough one. Box wine and I'm guaranteed a really bad headache is the problem. I think a cheap beer. The sunrise is hard because it means you pulled your butt out of bed really early, but it's so rewarding to get one. So I'm gonna say sunrise. Ketchup. I do love the dill pickle, I get it, I'm in, but ketchup. Stand up paddle. Monopoly. Much more fun. It's almost too much at times with my family, but fantastic. Cottage. Cabin was reserved, in my mind growing up, was if there wasn't a body of water nearby. But if you were at the cottage, it was because you were near the lake. I made them the other day without. I gotta say, I prefer it with some raisins or pecans. I love it all. You could drop me at any lake and I'd be very, very happy.